Hey YouTube, this is Grant here. Just doing some bush hogging on the Saturday. I'm in a McCormick tractor, a utility tractor, GX50. It has about 50 horsepower and around 600 hours. Sorry for the wobbliness of the camera. I'm doing this one-handed. Yeah. What's really nice about this tractor is it has a cab, which helps out a lot with bugs and temperature and just the loudness of the bush hog and the tractor itself. I'm planning on making a lot of videos out here. We had bought this land. There's about 33 acres. It goes down through there. There's a little hill down there. We bought about 33 acres 2 years ago, I think. And pretty bored right here, so I thought, oh, why not just make some YouTube videos? I don't know, see what happens. So I'm making some YouTube videos, and as you can see, this land is like pretty rough. It was never used for hay or alfalfa or anything. There was a company that owned this land before us that used it for, they stored their equipment here, so it's really rough. And we're planning on disking this land up pretty soon, and at least just getting a lot of those bumps out of it. This isn't really heavy duty brush hogging, it's more light. We're at about 2,000 RPM. Let's see here. So we bought this tractor for about 18 grand with the brush hog behind me, forks that go on this tractor, and a finish mower. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. It has the Yanmar diesel engine, which are on most John Deere tractors. It's that. The only thing that I really hate about this tractor is how the PTO is done. To engage the PTO, you have to lift that yellow thing up, and then these two things to my side, you have to put, oh god, I'm off the road. You have to put both of those in gear, which is like really hard. For some reason it's really hard to get them in gear. And then you can go. And I was watching another YouTube video, and there was a thing called 540E, which is 540 efficient, I think, which helps you get better mileage, or diesel mileage, I guess, saving some diesel back there. And I think it just runs at a lighter RPM, which there's that green 540 between 25 and 30, which I think is what you're supposed to run it at when you're doing really rough RPM. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that's why that's there. There's actually not many McCormick tractors made anymore, but they're starting to make a little comeback, I guess. Today, actually, we just went on the trails down there and made cut some trails out because there's a downed tree with our chainsaw on it. So we've been basically out here all day. My brother back there by that truck is mowing the F910 tractor, or not tractor, but mower. It's not really a tractor. We also have a John Deere 260 skid steer in the shed over there, which I'll make a video about. I plan to make a lot of videos actually out here. Sorry for the recording, I'm using a crappy iPhone right now. I'm planning to get a better one. But yeah, as you can see, the brush hog does a nice job. It's a 5-foot brush hog. It's a real older style one. Right now I'm located in central Iowa, at a property in central Iowa. That trailer over there, I don't know if you can see it. We're planning to put across a creek to build a bridge so we can get the ATV and dirt bike across and ride through there, because we have a creek back there going right through the middle of the land, which cuts us off. So we're planning to put that trailer across it and basically make a bridge, which I think is going to be really fun. I'll make a video on that when we end up doing it, but it'll take us a while to make the bridge. I don't know if it's really rough here. It kind of sucks mowing through here. Yeah, this tractor's done a really good job for us. We probably only put about 200 hours on it. The rest are from the people we bought it from before, which didn't really use it much. And utility tractors aren't really made to have high hours on them like the older tractors are, the bigger tractors are, but I mean, it's still got about a couple thousand hours to go.